Welcome to our installation guide. I will show you in the next 5 minutes how you can install Fiji and add our Mars package. It is a fast and easy installation process. In order to make it very clear, I will walk you through the whole process step by step. We start with downloading Fiji from the Fiji website. Just follow the link on our installation guide. Please choose the download file according to your operating system. I'm a Mac user, so I download the Mac version. It will take some minutes depending on your internet connection. Install it and then save Fiji somewhere which is not the download folder. It will not start inside the download folder. For example, drag it on the desktop. The next step is only needed if you are a Mac user. Please open the package content of your Fiji by right-clicking on the icon and have a look inside the Java folder. If you have the same file as me in the folder, you need to download another Java file to make our plugins working. You can quickly pause the video and compare the names of the files. Go on our website and look for the paragraph which is marked with Mac in bold. Click on the link. Download the file and replace the file in the folder with Zulu 8 YRE. Restart Fiji. The next step is for Mac and Windows user alike. Go and update Fiji. Click Help and then Update. This will take some minutes. After some time, a new window will appear. Click on Apply Changes. Restart Fiji again. Now, do the same sequence of steps again. Click Help and then Update. And a pop-up window will appear saying your Fiji is up to date. Press OK and then Manage Update Site. Search for Mars, tick the box and hit Close. Click on Apply Changes. Restart Fiji again. click on Plugins, you should have a drop-down menu called Mars. Here I show you how the Mars rover looks like. I have an archive open, the basic data structure of Mars. I navigate you through an archive which we will create in the next tutorials. Thank you for watching. Please check out our website or our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials regarding Mars.